Dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all to hear and see this video message. Today we are going to pray for Uniform Civil Code. The BJP government tries to bring Uniform Civil Code before 2024 general election. This is mainly makes the divisive politics and gets the majority of votes. That is the only reason the BJP aims to bring the Uniform Civil Code. Instead of Uniform Civil Code, we should pray for religious personal laws reformation in India. Content for this video I given in the description. You can go through and study. What is Uniform Civil Code? India is home to many religions following different customs. The richness in diversity can be seen by the fact that there are 22 recognized languages and more than 500 recognized tribes, each following their own customs. A uniform civil code means that all citizens, irrespective of their religion, should be treated equally in matters pertaining to civil laws. India is a secular nation, which means a separation between religion and state matters. Moreover, a secularism in India means equality of all religions and practitioners of all religions before the law. Currently, with a mix of different civil codes, different citizens are treated differently based on their religion. The rights of a Hindu woman are far more progressive than those of Muslim women, who are governed by Muslim personal law based on Sharia law. Marriage, divorce, maintenance, guardianship, adoption, inheritance, and succession are all issues that come within the definition of a civil code. Currently, under Indian law, all these issues are governed by separate provisions under religious customary law or codified laws pertaining to each religion in India. The attempt to respect religious law has created a number of issues in India, such as acceptability of polygamy, unequal inheritance rights, extrajudicial unilateral divorce rights favorable to males, and conflicting interpretation of religious books. Scope of Uniform Civil Code. A Uniform Civil Code would provide for one law for the entire country, applicable to all religious communities in their personal matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption, etc. In other words, UCC is a set of rules and regulations which proposes to replace the personal laws based on the scripture and customs of each major religious community in the country with a common set governing every citizen. UCC would ensure gender justice and equality by removing the discrimination and oppression faced by women under various personal laws. It would grant equal rights and status to women in matters of marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption, maintenance, etc. It would also empower women to challenge the patriarchal and regressive practices that violate their fundamental rights. It would harmonize the civil and criminal laws by removing the anomalies and loopholes that arise due to different personal laws. UCC would modernize and reform the outdated and regressive practices that are prevalent in some personal laws. It would eliminate the practices that are against the human rights and values enshrined in the Constitution of India, such as tribal talk, polygamy, child marriage, and etc. Bible talks about uniform civil code in Isaiah chapter 32 verse 8. But the noble man devises noble things, and by noble things he will stand.